Start by loading the action file into the Actions panel in Photoshop. Find the action file in the folder. It's the one with the ATN extension. If Action Palette is not visible, go to Windows tab and check it from the list. Drag and drop the file into your Action Palette. Now, you see it get listed. Let's begin. Okay, step 1. Create a starter template. This is where we're going to place our design in before converting it to 3D. Highlight the first action step, which is Starter Template. Hit play. Starter template has been created. Now you can place your artwork design into the template. At this point, you can either place your own design or use our provided perfect fit template. Drag and drop the provided PSD template into the Folder tab area. This will open it in a separate workspace, allowing you to edit the template as you like. Once complete, we can now convert the artwork into 3D. Highlight the Render 3D action step and play. Complete! Let's mess around with the layers a bit and give the image some final tweaks before saving. As you can see, all the layers from the action are still intact, so we can adjust them however we like. Now it's time to save the image. To save the image, I recommend you to follow this procedure. First, flatten the layers. Then, you may crop the image. Resize the image to fit your desired size. Go to Image tab, then select Image Size. Select Percent and set to 25% to reduce your image size. Let's see the actual size of the image. In case the image is still too big, add another 25%. But for this case, I think it's enough. Then we're going to select Pixel and set to the desired pixel size. Only then, the image is ready to be saved. Go to File tab, select Export, then Save for Web. Now you can save it to your document or folder. In short, running any Cover Actions mockup takes just 2 steps. First, play Create Starter Template. Second, play Render 3D. That's it! Super easy, right? By the way, I'm using Photoshop 2025 to demonstrate how the Cover Actions mockup works, but the process is pretty much the same in older Photoshop versions.